emergency. Everybody listen. There's an emergency. Say emergency.
Emergency.
My father said, next Friday, there will be an emergency all night in this church. Pay attention. Our all night is supposed to be 19th of next month, third Friday of next month, Freedom Night. But there's an emergency all night next Friday. Drag yourself here. If you like, sleep in your house. Drag yourself, drag your children, drag your neighbors. Anybody can drag. If you don't have money for transport, call me. I will send the money for transport. Go and come. If you are coming, bring any instrument of praise. Anything, whistle, plate, gong, band, anything you can carry that will make noise, tambourine, ichaka, anything, carry a go-go, anything, spoon and plate carry. We are going to be meeting here 10 p.m. on Friday. There's a spirit of death that Lucifer has dispatched against the seed of God in Champion Domain Altar. Beriga bala zuzuvri anagavila. Rovina ankavila azezedevina ruza agavina lajin angrelia. Revine zuguta. Listen carefully. This prayer will not only affect you. I want to walk by the Spirit through you to affect people around you, that if they die, to affect you. So we're going to use one stone to kill many birds. This is an emergency all night. Come with instrument of praise. It's going to be a prophetic prayer against death and praise against death. It's prayer against death and praise against death. On Friday, 10 p.m. we are gathering. We will pray against death in our personal family, in our loved ones. I am seeing my father by the eyes of cedar, and I'm seeing kidnappings going on, and I'm seeing death spirit. It is not only death, I'm seeing people entering one chance vehicle. I want you to understand, the Lord is showing me some things. He's told me in the month of October. I told you on Sunday, October. Did you hear me say October? I told you there's some things in October that have been programmed, but my father is 1 million miles away from Satan walker. He already took me into power. My father is 1 million miles away. Before Satan think, my father had conclusion of what he want to do. You and me, my seed, your seed, will not be involved for ritual. Yes, there will be a lot of one chance. They'll be moving from Anambra State into Asaba. I am seeing one chance that they'll be pushing them from Benin into Asaba, into Delta State. This is demonically manipulated. This has nothing to do with government. This is demon spirit. Why? Because there's some things that happen in the realm of the spirit in Delta State. There's some things happening. So this prophetic word, you'll be hearing that people are missing Asaba. You'll be hearing. You will start hearing from October that people are missing. You'll be hearing stories of people missing Asaba. One chance. You'll be seeing, they'll be hearing stories that they found dead body here in Asaba. They found dead body here somewhere in that house. Found dead body. You'll be seeing dead body, especially 70% of dead body will be female dead bodies.